Before we get started, we always want to recommend that you take any new saddle or even brand new bike to a certified bike fitter. They're worth every penny you'll spend and they'll make you a better cyclist. So let's get started in fitting your new saddle to your existing bike. The first thing we want to do is take a current measurement of your saddle height compared to your pedals. We do this by measuring the crank arm connection to the middle of the saddle. It's obviously very important that you start right at the middle of the crank to the middle and top of the saddle. Remember, the Reprieve was designed to fit in an exact position, meaning we're going to place your perineum in this V section. When starting the process, it's important that you don't have any air in the bladder. Here's the difference in setting up a road and mountain bike versus a triathlon bike. In this example, you can see the nose is raised 3 to 4 degrees off center. And here's the triathlon setup. You'll notice it's nice and flat. The Reprieve allows for a very aggressive aero position for your triathlon bike. Always remember to tighten your bolts before sitting on the saddle. We'll start by sitting all the way back on the saddle. Move forward, and as you feel your perineum drop into this V, that's where you'll know your exact position is on the bike. If you can't feel the perineum dropping, place a finger on your perineum, slide forward, and you'll feel the actual spot you're supposed to start. This is your exact position that bike fitters can start the measurement process when fitting your saddle to the bike. Once you've determined your fit, have somebody add air while you're sitting on the saddle. Once you've found your ideal spot, you can move your saddle forward or backwards, up or down, depending on the ideal spot for you. Just a couple last notes on fitting. If you're feeling too much foam rail either in the midsection or the front of the saddle, try lowering it by 1/4 of an inch or 1/8 of an inch. You can also try moving the saddle a little bit forward as well if you're feeling it in the midsection. If you're feeling it too much up towards the nose, try lowering the nose a little bit. Again, 1/4 or 1/8 of an inch goes a long way. Ideally, you want to sit on that crown of air, not on those foam rails. They're there to help, again, protect the bladder itself, and they're there to make your ride a little more comfortable. Play with the adjustments. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on the website. We hope you have a great ride.